Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this episode we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can use completely for free. Just use the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, only by using my link to Bidnot Pro, you will see my Alpha 1 iBot. So make sure you use my link. And also only by using my link, you have the possibility to deposit $100 compared with $250 if you don't use my link. So that's important. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. And as you can see there now in the top left corner for the video section, I have now a cryptocurrency robot. Check it out, it's amazing. And if you want to follow my forex signals and binary option signals, I have session every single day, 1 hour, where I share all my trades, okay? And we are printing money, especially for binary option. So if you have any interest about that, check out my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp community. I post everything in this too, okay? But now let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. you have it. Let's see how much profit we made. We spent minus 927 plus 1410, $483 profit. I'm happy with that. Also, do you see this trade there, there, and there? All this was today also. This is from my binary option session I have at Telegram and in WhatsApp community. Every day I'm there, 1 hour trading between Monday to Friday, and you can copy what I'm doing. It's an incredible high win rate we have there. So if you have any interest about that, check out my WhatsApp or Telegram and join there today. But now, if you want to use this robot also, just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.